Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. First of all, we can block a number which we've got currently saved on our device, on our contact list, or we can do it using, let's say, the settings, and of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with the contact list. Let's open it. Now let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap. Now just pick this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on block, and as you can see here we've got this characteristic icon which will show us that we've just successfully blocked this number, actually one number, which of course means that your device will limit the incoming calls and text messages from it. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So that was the first way of blocking a number, and now let me show you the second one. So here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on block numbers, and as you can see right here we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts, which means that everything went fine. So the second way to block a number is to simply enter it. So just tap on enter number, and as you can see here you can manually enter the number, so you do not have to have it saved on your contacts. After tapping on OK, after entering, of course, it will immediately appear on this list, which again means that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. What's more, at the very top we've got the unknown option. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and it means that your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you'd like to unblock the numbers, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.